guys, I'm back with another video. And I'm gonna close the door so no one interrupts me. So yeah. Today I'm making the burping machine video. Yeah, it's really fun.
Guys, I made the burping machine video, but follow my channel.
Yeah, his name is Mega Savage. And he made a burping machine part 1, and now he's making a burping machine part 2, and then it'll be lit, guys. I'm going to open this thing of A&W. Hashtag not sponsored. Okay, yeah. I just need to show you guys quick. It's actually a BB gun. See you load it right there. And then put it on safety. It's not loaded, don't worry, guys. Yeah. It's not a real gun, guys. Okay, so I'm going to open this. And, guys, count how many burps I do in the video. And then say it in the comments how many burps I do in total. Oh, yes. Okay, you guys might want to turn the volume like all the way up so you can hear me. I have literally tattoos all over me because I just drew all over me. Yeah. Logan, Pollard. Yeah. Pretty nice guy. Guys, I'll be back in a second. Yeah, guys, I have to start vlogging now because my tripod messed up. Okay, you lose breath doing this. Oh my god. I'm gonna put it back on the tripod. Just give me a second. Okay, guys, I'm back. Okay, I don't know how many burps I did. Just remember to on and say in the comments. So yeah. Okay. Okay.